All right, we have our Spellbinders Club of the Month for February. So let's open it up and see what we have. All right, we're gonna start from smallest to largest like we always do. First we have the clear stamp of the month. This is called the Lily Arc. And there are 8 clear stamps here. You have this big, beautiful lily stamp. And then you have some sentiments here like Happy Easter, Spring Greetings, Celebrate New Beginnings, Spring Blessings, Thanks for your friendship, You are in my thoughts, and Live life in full bloom. So that is the clear stamp of the month. And then here is the die that coordinates with the stamp of the month. So you can run this through your Spellbinders die cut machine. And then once you've cut it out, you then stamp it. How cute are those? Those are the clear stamp and die of the month for February 2024, the Lily Arc. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It is the Rain Boot Bouquet. This is the small die of the month for February. Look how cute this is. You have your rain boots and you have your flowers. And so you can make let's see if it'll focus on that. It'll make a bouquet in a pair of rain boots or garden boots. Very cute. Love that. And then we have our floral bunny basket for the February large die of the month. So you have Easter basket, you have your flowers, your carrots, and your little mischievous bunny getting in there. This would be great on a card, like an Easter card, or it would be a great addition to a scrapbook page. You have a nice big basket on your scrapbook page, and you can customize the colors to match your page how you want to do it. How adorable is that little bunny getting in there? So cute. So there you have it, the Spellbinders large die of the month, small die of the month, and clear stamp and die of the month for February.